I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at the Boston Whaler 17 Montauk that just arrived here. This is a 2026. This has the upgraded engine, so it's got the 115 Mercury on it versus the 90. So if you want to load this with 4 or 5 people, plenty of power on this boat with that 115 on it. Take a quick look here at the back, and you see that you've got 2 nice jump seats in the back. If we pull out one of these backrests, you can see that there's rod holders there. So if you're doing more fishing than you are cruising, you got 2 rod holders there, and you've got 2 rod holders there. Hydraulic steering. Big live well underneath the captain's chair. So that's a really big live well for a 17-footer. I like the reversible seat on the 17 Montauk. You can see that if I want to stand up and drive, I can use it as a leaning post. So it's very comfortable like that. It's got another position right there, another position there, or all the way back, so that it's just as comfortable sitting down on this. Plenty of room on the dash for electronics. You've already got a Ritchie compass mounted up on the dash as well. JL audio stereo in here, so a very high quality stereo on this. Bimini top. The Bimini top's plenty high on this too. If you're 6'3", 6'4", you're gonna have plenty of room to walk underneath that Bimini top. Going to the front of the console, cushion cooler seat with backrest with more rod holders on it. And then again, for a day of cruising, somebody wants to sit up here in the bow, you've got a nice bow cushion on this. In front of the bow cushion is the plug-in for a trolling motor. So this is already pre-wired to plug in your trolling motor right there. Battery boxes are already installed down underneath the console, so putting a trolling motor in this is going to be really easy. If you want to take this boat for a test ride, call me at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, 904-625-6146.